Hello and welcome to AberSU Celebrates Sports Awards 2021. This year, like no other, has proven just how amazing our sport clubs can be. Overcoming so many uncertainties, adapting to rapidly changing situations, and finding as many ways as possible to continue with their activities. The Team Aber family have done an outstanding job of keeping the student community together, and I thank each and every one of you for doing your part. Over the past year, the Opportunities Office and our sport clubs have overcome so many challenges in ensuring that no one from the student population would be left behind. We have all managed to keep activities, whether online or in person, providing constant support and entertainment for participants. It has been fantastic seeing all your activities going ahead and how many of you have thrived this year with your memberships and opportunities. In spite of the many obstacles faced, we have recorded multiple successes, from your own organized rag events and competitions, to your participation in SU organized events such as Arts Festival, Super Challenge, Varsity and Societies Fest, none of which would have taken place if it wasn't for the amazing work of SU team and our students. Among the many clubs that have put a tremendous effort to their work, we would like to give a shout out to Show Dance, Mountaineering and Harriers, whose efforts did not go unnoticed by the SU team. I would like to give thanks to all of you on behalf of AberSU Students' Union, and a huge good luck to all shortlisted clubs and individuals. Now, please join us in the celebration as we move on to the awards presentation for the AberSU Celebrates Sports Awards 2021.
Our first award of the evening is the Adaptability and Resilience Award. This award has been created this year to celebrate the adaptability and resilience shown by our student groups as a result of the change in circumstances. This may include finding innovative and creative ways of doing activities, utilising new technologies and adapting to alternative ways of engaging their members. This group will have actively maintained their core purpose in the activities that they have provided. The nominees are aerial fitness, women's hockey, fencing, show dance, dance sport and equestrian. Our third placing for this award goes to fencing for their successful organisation of online training sessions and outdoor social events and their general success in adapting their activities to engage their members under the challenging circumstances. In second place, congratulations to aerial fitness for their successful engagement of members through well-adapted online and outdoor training sessions. As a group who relies solely on shared equipment to function, they have worked hard to find alternative and safe arrangements for their members in order for them to continue. The winner of this award is a club whose efforts to adapt and continue their activities regardless of the circumstances has excelled any expectations. They have successfully organised online sessions, outdoor training and countless charity events, all of which gave their members a chance to stay active and engaged in the activity that they love. They had countless nominations from their very happy members as a result. Congratulations to the winner of the Adaptability and Resilience Award, Show Dance.
Hey everyone, hope you're having a beautiful evening. I'm here to announce the next award, which is the Welsh Language Award. This award is granted to the club that has exceeded the boundaries of bilingualism policy. They have actively promoted Welsh language and culture within their student group. The nominees are show dance, netball, men's rugby union and men's football. In second place for this award, congratulations to Snow Dance for their continuous effort to ensure the promotion of the Welsh language. The winner of this award is a club whose members feel committed to celebrating Welsh language. Their social media has been bilingual and their activities offered a space for Welsh speakers. Congratulations to the winner of the Welsh Language Award, Netball. Congratulations guys.
Hey everyone, it's me again, and this next award is one that sits really close to my heart. It's the biggest contribution to RAG. This award is granted to a club whose members have freely given a significant amount of their time to a good cause throughout the year, or a club that has significantly contributed towards RAG throughout the year. And the nominees are women's hockey, cricket, netball, and men's rugby union. Our second place for this award goes to cricket for raising over £700 for Movember and setting regular fundraising challenges for their members to keep them engaged and working together for some great causes. And the winner of this award is a club whose dedication and support, both local and national charities, has been extremely visible over the past academic year. They have fundraised, celebrated and supported multiple causes, helping many organisations around Wales and the UK, including Trussell Trust, St Anne's Church Food Bank and West Wales Poundies. They've also partnered with Mae UMAber and celebrated and raised awareness during Pride Month to support the LGBTQ+ student community and beyond. Congratulations to the winner of the biggest contribution to RAG, women's hockey. Well done, guys. Hey everyone, me again, different background. So the next award is the Gwyn Evans Award. Awarded in memory of a former PE lecturer and club coach, the award recognises personal dedication, commitment and a commendable sporting attitude towards achievement in sport. This is someone that takes on every role within the club, coach, player and a supporter. So the nominees are Megan Paget from Show Dance, Rhys Sewell from cricket, James Setchfield from men's hockey, Aggie Johnston from Show Dance, Joseph Davis from swimming and water polo, and Megan Bunker from cricket. So, in third place for this award, we have Joseph Davis from swimming and water polo, for bringing the best out of the club and its members, leading them through multiple successes over the years whilst on committee. Well done. So in second place congratulations to Aggie Johnston from Show Dance for their invaluable help and work within the club as tap coach. And the winner of the Gwyn Evans Award is a student whose dedication and commitment to the club would have been impossible to go unnoticed. They've been actively organising the group and supporting each of its members through such a difficult year. This person is president, captain, coach, cheerleader, every role you can imagine within their club. And from the nominations received, the members are clearly very grateful. Congratulations to the winner of the Gwyn Evans Award, Rhys Sewell from cricket. Well done.
The next award is the Mae UMAber Award. This award recognises someone who has been dedicated towards the running and administration of a particular club. They are the unsung hero who sits at the desk inputting emails and or collecting money, making sure that the club runs smoothly. The nominees are James Young from tennis, Megan Paget from show dance, Tony Moore from men's football and digs, Kaylee Jones from women's hockey, Adam O'Hara from digs, and Lucy Powell-Michel from sailing. In third place for this award, congratulations to James Young from tennis for your unique motivation and resilience in leading the club's activities over the year. In second placing, we have Kaylee Jones from women's hockey for her admirable commitment to the club's administration and constant offer to support fellow committee members. The winner of this award is a student whose hard work has been largely visible from day one of the academic year. They have been unstoppable in their leadership, ensuring that the club continues with their activities regardless of the circumstances and providing invaluable administrative support to the club and its members as well as the wider sports community through their representation in Senedd. Congratulations to the winner of the Mae UMAber Award, Megan Paget from Show Dance.
award is the Sports Personality of the Year, an award dedicated to an individual who shows a good sense of sportsmanship, commitment, humor and enthusiasm in all aspects of their sport and the outward UMAber community. The nominees for this award are Nicola Hall from women's hockey, Jasmine Wall from show dance, Emma Petrie from show dance, Reese Sewell from cricket, William Howard from lacrosse, and Miles Dolman from swimming and water polo. Congratulations to you all. Our third placing for this award goes to Miles Dolman from swimming and water polo for his exceptional commitment and sportsmanship presented within the swimming team. In second place, congratulations to Nicola Hall from women's hockey for their outstanding commitment and enthusiasm recognized by both the club and the wider UMAber community. And the winner of this award is a student whose enthusiasm and commitment is contagious. They have been outstanding in their efforts to support and organize their club, keeping everyone around motivated and optimistic. Following a massive amount of strong and spirited nominations, congratulations to the winner of Sports Personality of the Year, Jasmine Wall from Show Dance.
The next award is Sports Person of the Year. This award is granted to the individual who has excelled in their chosen field of sport and has enhanced the reputation of sport in Aberystwyth. They have represented on a regional or national level or have excelled within the university sports structure. The nominees are Edward Grombeck, Harriers, Tudor Roderick, Men's Rugby Union, Matthew Jones, Men's Football, Niall Mayers, Lacrosse, Megan Paggett, Show Dance, and Heidi Atkins, Women's Rugby. In third place, congratulations to Tudor Roderick from Men's Rugby Union for their outstanding representation in Bucks and beyond over their time in Aberystwyth. In second place, we have Niall Mayers from Lacrosse for their high-level representation in lacrosse, competing in Bucks for Aberystwyth whilst also making an appearance with the Wales national team last year. The winner of this award is a student who's a well-known face within the sporting community. This student is one of the very few whose sporting career has not been affected this season after achieving elite status, enabling them to continue training and competing throughout the pandemic. This scholarship student has been a pivotal player for the university club over their 3 years, seeing them through promotion in Bucks whilst also representing Aberystwyth Town in the highest level of football in Wales. Congratulations to the winner of Sports Person of the Year 2021, Matthew Jones from Men's Football. The next award is Club of the Year. The Club of the Year is the most coveted and sought after award within Team Aber. This award is granted to the most successful, committed and active club of the academic year. The nominees are Men's Rugby Union, Harriers, Show Dance, Aerial Fitness, Women's Hockey and Equestrian. In third place for this award, congratulations to Aerial Fitness for their active engagement and commitment to ensure their members stayed happy and healthy throughout this difficult year. In second place, we have Show Dance for being extremely creative in their approach, organising multiple trainings throughout the week and actively engaging their members. The winner of this award is a club whose continuous efforts and creative approach has paid off, bringing in huge membership numbers and recognition across the Aberystwyth community. They have organised and participated in many local events, both virtually and in person, providing support and encouragement for those who were lucky enough to be involved. Congratulations to the winner of 2021 Sports Club of the Year, Harriers. The next award is University Colours. This award recognises individual students who have shown continued outstanding dedication or made an exceptional contribution to their club, whilst also demonstrating commitment to Team Aber. In exceptional circumstances, students may also be awarded full colours for excelling at their chosen sport to a high level, including winning an international or national or BUCS competition, or representing their sport at a national international level. The students receiving University Colours for 2021 are Carrie Lois Owen, Sophie Asquith, Megan Paget, Adam Ahara, Jasmine Wall, Emma Petrie, Jodie Notley, Jamie Pugh, Rachel Dye, Nicola Hall, Keris Walsh, Heidi Atkins, Tudor Roderick, Eva Idzikowska, Chloe Colwick, Edward Grombeck, Joseph Davies, Ben Lee, Rob Townsend, Jacob Caddick, Matthew Jones, Dominic Rowley, Eleanor Phillips, George Muter, and Ben Barr. Congratulations to the recipients of this year's AberSU University Sports Colours.
Congratulations to all who were nominated and shortlisted, and especially to our winners this evening. Thanks to your commitment, enthusiasm and creativity, we have had such a successful year, regardless of the many difficulties the world is facing. It is both inspiring and empowering to see the dedication of all our sports clubs, especially in the face of adversity. Quoting a great thinker of the antique, Seneca, "The bravest sight in the world is to see a great man struggling against adversity." You are all an essential part of Team Aber and the wider AberSU community, and thanks to you, us, employees at AberSU, find strength and inspiration to get out of bed and go to work each day. Thank you for your invaluable work and commitment, and thank you for making my 2 years in office the best experience it could have possibly been. Before I finish, I would like to leave you with a sentence from John Collins. "In prosperity, our friends know us. In adversity, we know our friends." May we never forget that. Thank you for your time. Once more, congratulations to all the winners and nominees, and have a nice night. Till next time.